guys, welcome back from spring break and welcome back to reality. I do have some good news for you as we get started this week. We are starting on our very last 7th grade unit, so I know everyone is anxious to finish that up so we can really focus on those 8th grade standards. This unit will be about 2 weeks long, so you'll have lessons this week and the following week, and then you will begin that 3rd week with your test. So 2 weeks of material and then your summative on this pretty short unit, okay? All right, so you'll see my videos will be here, linked in the Bitmoji. You will have links for our meetings this week on Tuesday and on Thursday. You'll see that I have some Give 'em Kit codes there for some activities that we're going to actually do in those classes to review material. And then you've got your suggested pacing. Okay, so follow that. It should take you to Friday, where Friday actually will become kind of a catch-up day and complete any unfinished work day for you if you stay on the pace that I suggested. Okay, so let's jump into your actual learning path. The first step is titled Measures of Central Tendency, and that is looking at mean, median, and mode. There's a video there. There's a couple of notes, tables where you have a summary of notes. You'll want to read through those, especially in this table here. There's some good important information there that might be new to you. And then finally, you will go to Google Classroom and complete the Edulastic titled Mean, Median, Mode. Okay? A little summary of what each of those means in the table if you want to copy down those notes as you're completing that task. Okay, that is step 1. Moving on to step 2 is focused on populations and samples. So we're going to learn how to use sampling methods that are not biased and are representative of a population. So the first thing you should do is read through the information that's in the box with the highlighted vocabulary. There is a short video on sampling methods from Khan Academy, and then you will go and complete the Nearpod. There's a couple of Nearpods in this week's assignments. As you're completing the Nearpods, make sure that you read through all of the examples, take your time going through it. If there are videos, make sure you're watching those, pausing, take notes, and then there are some quiz type questions in it so that you can check for your own understanding there. I will be inserting the Nearpod codes here so that you have those. They are not there yet, but they will be by the time this video is posted. Okay, moving on, the next 2 steps in your learning path will be checkpoints to see how you have grasped the material up until this point. So the first one will be on populations and samples. The second one will be using those samples to make predictions. So you will find out all about that in your Nearpods. Okay, and then finally you have a page dedicated to box and whisker plots. So now that we know how to collect samples and use those to make predictions, we know how to collect data. Box and whisker plots is all about how to display that data so that we can interpret it and read it clearly and efficiently. So this should be 6th grade review. Most of this should be for you. However, I know that this unit in 6th grade was one of your very last units, so it may have been when we were home that last month or 2 of school, and so we were maybe a little inconsistent in what work we completed or didn't or remembered. And again, I know that was a hard time too. So I want to make sure that you, even though this should be review, make sure you're paying attention and watching this and getting as much from it when you have the videos and your Nearpod lessons, okay? So the first thing here is a Nearpod lesson. Again, there's some great things in there to help teach you all about the 5-number summary and how to create that box and whisker plot. This is actually my pet Jenny, so see what I did there? Box and whisker, haha. She is our 1-year-old cat, and because she loves to get in a box and play with anything inside of a box. So I thought that was funny, and I took a picture of her. So there you go. Okay, and then after you've done that, you're going to go to Delta Math and complete an assignment. This is all about practice. So you're getting to, again, refer to some videos if you're feeling stuck within the Delta Math. And also there's really great explanations on how to solve. Read through those if you miss any, because the explanations are really a great learning tool also. And then finally, you'll go to Google Classroom and complete the task called Box and Whisker Flies. So this will be a Google form that you'll have questions and answers. Okay, that is it for the week. If you have questions, let me know when it's learning. I hope everyone will make an effort to attend our classes on Tuesday and Thursday. And I am looking forward to everyone having a great week. Bye.